Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on the A1 Linstead bypass towards Bogwalk, St. Catherine Parish. To the right is Commodore Cemetery and also Grove Road, which will take you into Linstead town. Turning onto Commodore Road, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Bogwalk, Spanish Town, also to Kingston and St. Andrew Parish. To the right is Buena Vista Boulevard, and on the left is Rosemount Road. On the right is Reserve Road. On the left is Guango Lane, also Mid-Eastern Surreptimious Basic School. On the right is Commodore Skills Training Center. Entering Burton. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.